I'm Cédric François. I'm the QC manager at Gaming1. Gaming1 is a Belgian company expert in entertainment and digital solutions. The biggest issues we had with the testing was that we were doing a lot of manual testing, so a lot of iterations, and the automation we tried to maintain was based on a Selenium grid. But unfortunately, the limitations of the different configurations of operating systems and devices was a real problem. In a way, we were firefighting and focusing on the high-risk functionalities, such as payment or compliance rules, while some other areas were a little bit neglected. The BrowserStack product that we are using, first of all, the manual web testing that allows us to test the different games and platforms for sanity checks. But along the way, we started focusing mainly on automate and app automate frameworks to accelerate time to market by automating a maximum of tests. During our evaluation of the tooling, the first thing that really stood out was the maturity of the system. We were using Selenium at the time, and we had some migrations to Playwright and added some Appium tooling around it, and the maturity of BrowserStack solution made it solid. What we really appreciated was the reliability of the tool, knowing that we could plug that to the CI/CD pipe and having a good confidence in the tooling despite the remote access. Integrating the BrowserStack solution into our CI/CD pipe was amazingly quick and easy. It was pretty plug and play, and I really have to thank the BrowserStack team as well to be very reactive in the contacts and helped us out during that setup. By adopting the app automate and automate solutions from BrowserStack, we had a way more efficient testing pipe. The CI/CD was greener than before, and the test execution was faster as a whole. That allowed us to improve the test reliability and get better development and tester coordination too, as they started to collaborate and exchange from these results. And actually, it allowed us to go further in the quality process than just testing. Major KPIs has been impacted thanks to all these new frameworks that we've set up. First of all, before we were deploying about 20 times a year different deliverables, and today we are doing so more than 600 times a year for probably 25 different solutions. We cover mobile automation without the need of maintaining any internal bunch of devices. We also had a time to market that went down from more than a year to an average of 10 weeks for every new feature. The test coverage is now about 500 functional flows that we have automated, so that represents something like 10,000 test cases in general. And we drove the manual testing efforts from 50 man days to 10 man days per release. At Gaming1, we really try to get always ahead of the others and being the first on the market with new ideas and new functionalities. And BrowserStack is definitely a good support on that. Thanks to all these toolings, we're able to play with gestures, with screen orientations, and other specificities of the current devices. What's really amazing with BrowserStack is that you have plenty of different solutions, from the test management tool to the automation, with a lot of features helping you on a daily basis for debugging with recordings, with screenshots, but also is keeping up the pace and keep growing by investigating every AI solutions where we are really eager to go for, certainly for better performances, but certainly also for better predictability on what the users and the players will soon do.